Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, and I want to invite you to join us tomorrow morning. We're going to trade live starting at 6 a.m. Pacific time, 9 a.m. Eastern, so we'll have time to get set up before the market. This is for members only. We got a lot of new members over the last few weeks, I suspect, and this is sad, I guess, but because people are home, you got nothing else to do, so what the hell, let's trade some stocks. So let's do it a different way. What the hell, let's make you money. So let me tell you what we did here today. I actually sent it out in my morning note that I was buying some Zoom video because it was down on news about security issues and stuff like that. Now, I'm not a fan of the company. I don't know the company. This part of the chart, I love the chart back here. But this seems really double toppy to me, this and this, the way it traded down. But I can't resist a bull trap when I know that there's a lot of retail traders who are still fixated on this stock. So when this stock comes down and trades close to the 50-day moving average, that's the kind of trade that it's not a long-term investment for me, but it would be a pretty good short-term trade. And so this is what I did. I posted this morning. I'm buying the stock, bought it actually a little bit below where it opened up pre-market. And then if you look at the way the stock traded, this is forget about the 1 minute chart. This is a 15-minute chart throughout the day. The stock immediately ran up and really never went back below the volume weighted average price, only a little bit during the noon time, which that's what stocks do. Those predators buy or sell, whatever the case may be, in the morning and right into the close. Prey are the ones that are active and buying during the middle part of the day. I'm telling you, you're going to get hurt big time if that's what you're doing there. So anyway, this was my trade on Zoom. I don't expect it to run to new highs, but it was a great day trade. Also, you look at this kind of volume, guys, this is distribution volume. Big, and it's a nice move off the bottom, but it didn't even get back up to Friday's levels. So this is, in my view, an oversold bounce. I wouldn't really be in this stock, certainly if it starts rolling over tomorrow, and absolutely if it trades below the 50-day moving average. Nothing good ever happens below the 50-day moving average. This is like the overpass. You're driving on a freeway and you're driving under an overpass and you look up to that little ledge that's right in between where the road is and where the hill comes down to the highway or the freeway, and you go like, wow, there's just about enough room in there for some bad stuff to happen. Okay, drugs, whatever. I don't even know why I'm going on with this analogy, but the bottom line is this: if it's below the 50-day moving average, that is not a stock that you want to be anywhere near, unless, of course, it's for a little trade. But anyway, so that's my take on Zoom, and I know we're going to get some good stocks tomorrow morning, so I want to invite you to be there. Just join trial membership. You don't have to pay me any money, and who knows? You may wind up making a whole gang of money tomorrow.